responsibilities, and of course the challenges as one. So you may now start slicing your cake. And a reminder, the bigger the slice, the bigger the family you will be creating. So let's check if malaking cake ba ang slice nila. Again, the bigger the slice, the bigger the family they will be creating in the future. Wow! To be looking at later, huh? Wow, I think this is the foremost, the biggest slice I had in my weddings. Ayan. Palamakan naman po natin ating couple. Now, Philip and Luis, please join us here in the center. And have the cake, please. Get the slice, please, and the fork. Okay, dito po tayo sa gitna. Wow! Gasolubra pa sa mga platito ang cake. Now, this is our next segment. You have to share a slice. Yung kailangan humiton ng isa kag-isa. Ang hamba nila, kung ano kadako ang iyong pagigugma, ang nakadako ang ihungit mo sa iyong partner. The bigger the love that you have for your partner, the bigger the slice that you will share to him or her. Let's start with Philip Joshua. Now, ihatag ang imo paghigugma. Wow! Alright! Ang powerful. Now, Luis, it's your time to share your love for your husband. Now you may share. Alright. I think may icing sa lips. Ninyo may icing. Palihog sipot ang icing gamit ang halok. Pakisipon ng icing gamit ang halok. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Siputon ang icing. Aba, mayabaw. Nang pahit-pahit lang sila yan.